Pause that thumb. Your kitchen is secretly the Avengers HQ. Proof? Watch this. Hack 1. Run salmon through a normal dishwasher cycle, top rack, double bagged. 65 degrees of steamy spa turns it into Michelin-level sous vide while your plates get clean. Hack 2. Revive day-old Syrah. Jam the blender lid's tamper over the bottle. Pulse 2 seconds. Boom. Bargain bin vacuum pump, oxygen gone, wine saved, ego intact. Hack 3. Toaster equals spice bazooka. Slide the crumb tray out, foil line it, rain down cumin seeds. One toast cycle and the room smells like you teleported to a Mumbai market, minus the jet lag. Hack 4. Microwave your wardrobe. Glass bowl, turmeric, vinegar, 30-second blasts, and that sad white tea turns solar flare yellow. Same trick dyes Easter eggs that look forged by psychedelic chickens. Hack 5. Ice cream maker equals cocktail wizard. Freeze the bowl, pour in a Negroni, 10-minute churn, and you've got slushy velvet at -5 arcs. Zero dilution, maximum Campari punch. Congratulations, domestic sorcerer. Consider yourself officially banned from boring dinner parties.